Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there stood a massive ancient oak tree. This tree had been there for hundreds of years, witnessing the changing of seasons and growth of the forest around it. Its branches stretched high into the sky, providing shade and shelter for countless animals, birds, and insects. The oak tree was wise, and animals from all over the world and forest would come to seek its advice. One day, a young and restless squirrel named Jumi came rushing to the oak tree. "Oh, wise oak tree," Jumi said, "I have been gathering nuts all day, but my friend Biku always takes more than his share. It is so unfair. Should I stop sharing with him all day together?" The wise oak tree rustled its leaves gently and spoke. "Tell me, young one, why do you gather nuts?" Jumi was confused. "To survive the winter, of course. I need to have enough stored away so that I don't go hungry." The oak tree nodded. "And why does your friend Biku gather nuts?" "Well, for the same reason," Jumi admitted. "But he takes more from my field than from his own." "That is not right." Oak tree smiled softly. "It may seem unfair, but have you ever asked yourself why Biku might take more from you? Does he have fewer trees in his part of the forest? Perhaps he finds fewer nuts, or maybe he does not know how to gather as well as you do." Jumi thought about this. "I don't know," he said slowly. "I never asked." The tree and the tree continued. "Well, we all live in the same forest, young one. Sometimes it is easy to look at what we have and what other takes, but we forget to ask why before you get upset. Talk to Biku. Perhaps he is struggling and maybe you can teach him how to gather better. By sharing your knowledge and patience, you may find that burden of sharing feels lighter." Jumi nodded, understanding now. He realized that his frustration had grown for assuming the worst without understanding the full story. He promised the wise tree that he would talk to Biku, and he scampered off to find his friend. When Jumi found Biku later that day, he kindly asked, "Biku, why do you always take from my field? Is everything okay?" Biku looked surprised and then ashamed. "Oh, Jumi, I did not mean to upset you. This truth is, the tree near my home hardly produces any nuts, and I have been struggling gather enough. I did not know how to ask for help." Jumi smiled, feeling a sense of relief and kindness. "Next time, just ask. I am happy to share. And let me show you where some of the best nut trees share. We can together gather." From that day, Jumi and Biku gathered nuts side by side, sharing not only their food but also their time, knowledge, and friendship. And every time Jumi passed the wise old oak tree, he remembered its lessons. Seek to understand before you judge. In this story, we can learn from that before making assumptions or reading out of frustration, take the time to understand others' situation. If you like this short story, please like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.